Welcome. In the next few minutes you will learn how to easily create an account on Tlauncher Minecraft and join the world of blocks and adventures. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official Tlauncher website at tlauncher.org/n. On the Tlauncher website, locate and click on the Download Tlauncher button. This will download the Tlauncher installation file to your computer. Once the download is complete, find the downloaded Tlauncher installation file and run it. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Tlauncher on your computer. After Tlauncher is installed, locate its icon on your desktop or in your applications menu and launch it. With Tlauncher open, you'll see a register button. Click on it to proceed with account creation. Now you'll need to provide some information to create your account. Enter your desired username, a valid email address, and a secure password. Double-check the information you entered and then click on the register button again to finalize the registration process. Congratulations! You are now logged into your newly created Tlauncher account and ready to dive into the world of Minecraft. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.